What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day. It is Tuesday. I want to talk about why I covered my short on SpaceX today and actually flipped long. I am now using SPAL as a way to express the long idea. I have it both in my broker. I have 420 shares left. I'm long from $20.30. I also have some in a Roth IRA that I have. I'm long another 200 shares there from a little bit lower at 1992. And I want to go over why I think this is a long. We can use SpaceX as an example, of course. So SpaceX got under day one lows. You can see, we had 3 days up, 3 days down, and now we're kind of bouncing off those day one lows. And it's been a very good momentum style name, closing well and then gapping up, closing weak and then gapping down. Yesterday worked out very nicely as well on the short side. But we got under those day one lows, and you can kind of just see that we had buyers every single time. We had buyers here, step it back up, we got back under, we had some more buyers, got back under, buyers stepped up, and then it kind of happened again here. And it just seems like we have sped up to the downside quite a bit, where now it seems like a bottom might be in for a number of weeks. I'm thinking, maybe we could bounce back towards, SpaceX is a name that is overshooting both sides. The volatility is insane, the opportunity is incredible. So I don't know, maybe 170 to 190, and my exits on SPAL are kind of along those lines, thinking like 22 to 33. I'm selling mechanically every dollar. I talked about this position, how I was short overnight, and how I ended up covering it. My SpaceX short and flipped long. I'm using SPAL as a way to express a long. This is our free overnight momentum Discord group. There's a link in the description down below. Click that link, you'll get in the Discord, you'll have view only access, and then you just have to click on this link, add your email, reply to the welcome email with your Discord username, and then you'll have full access where you can text and type and hop on voice the last 20 minutes a day where we discuss possible overnights. So anyways, I'm thinking SpaceX kind of bottomed here, at least for maybe a couple weeks. If you take a look at the fundamentals, I use stock analysis. You can use discount code SAVE on trading to save 10%. On stock analysis, it brings the cost down to like $5.92 a month. You can see their market cap is absolutely ridiculous, but if you go online, people are getting very bearish now that the stock has been pretty weak to the downside, and people are saying that the bottom is nowhere close, and that tends to be when you kind of see a reversal. Most importantly, this is more of like a technical thesis, kind of just seeing buyers step up on SpaceX when we got under day one lows. There might be somebody kind of defending that level. So anyways, as long as we're kind of above there, 147 or so, give it a couple points. I think we'll work our way back up. I think we'll kind of close okay and then maybe gap overnight and start to go. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So yeah, if you're not in the Discord, click the link in the description or the pinned comments. I'd love to have you, and we can discuss SpaceX a little bit more. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, I hop on voice to discuss possible overnights. Yesterday we took ADTX. I made a little bit of money on that one. And I made a little bit of money on it the day before. I think I made $6,000 on it the day before, $2,000 overnight. So yeah, that one worked out well. Yeah, would love to have you.